Lol. So today we are discussing about some interview questions on node.js. So the first question is, what is node.js and how does it differ from other server-side technologies like Apache or PHP? Node.js is a runtime environment that allows you to run JavaScript on the server side using the V8 engine. Unlike Apache or PHP, which use a multi-threaded approach, Node.js is single-threaded and event-driven, making it highly efficient for handling asynchronous operations and real-time applications. So, and the second question is, what is callback function in Node.js and why are they commonly used in asynchronous programming? A callback function is a function passed by passed as an argument to another function which gets executed later. So they are commonly used in asynchronous programming to handle operations like file reading, database queries, or API requests without blocking the execution of the rest of the code. What is the purpose of the package.json file in a Node.js project? Can you explain the key properties found in this file? The package.json file is used to manage a Node.js project's metadata and dependencies. Key properties includes name and version, project name and version, dependencies, lists required packages for the project, dev dependencies, list packages needed for development, scripts, custom commands to run scripts like start or test. Explain the differences between require and import statements in Node.js. When and why would you use one over the other? Require is used in common JS modules while import is used in ES6 modules. Use require in older Node.js versions or when working with common JS. Use import when working with modern ES6 Plus modules for better support in front-end and full-stack applications. And the next question is, what is middleware in the context of Express.js? Can you give an example of how you would use middleware in an Express application? Middleware functions in Express.js are functions that execute during the request response cycle. For example, here is the code const express is equals to require express, and the middleware function is this, and app.get after app.listen. So the next question is, what is RESTful API and how you can create one using Node.js and Express.js? Explain the main HTTP methods used in RESTful APIs. A RESTful API follows REST principles using HTTP methods to interact with resources. The HTTP methods are get, post, put, delete. The get method is used to retrieve the data, post is to create data, put is to update data, and delete is to remove the data. Here is the example of a simple RESTful API. So after this, the next question is, what is the purpose of the Node Package Manager and how do you use it to manage dependencies in a Node.js project? NPM is a package manager that allows you to install, update, and manage JavaScript packages to initialize a project. Here is the command npm init y, and to install a package npm install express. To install a development only dependency, npm install node mon save dev. To update dependencies, npm update. What is it important to hash passwords in a web application? Hashing ensures that passwords are stored securely and cannot be easily retrieved if a database is compromised. Example of password hashing using bcrypt. So const bcrypt equals to require, and this is the web application example of password hashing. So this makes it difficult for attackers to retrieve original passwords even if they access the database. So these are the some important questions in Node.js. So, and I have explained all of it. Thank you.